Hello everyone, Captain JC here again, and I just finished my swab test. Every 2 weeks right now, they perform swab test on us, on all crew. It used to be rapid test where they extract blood from us, but now talagang swab test na. I think it's an antigen, but it's more effective and it's more accurate than the rapid test. That's to ensure that everybody who's going to fly don't have the virus. Since I'm all alone, most of the time I buy my food cooked na. But for those of you who've been following me, who are subscribed to my channel for a long time, you know that I am addicted to K-dramas and K-pop, and also I'm addicted to Korean food. So right now, bago umuwi, dadaan muna ako dito sa uh, Korean store where I get most of the Korean food, especially kimchi. This is where I get the kimchi for samgyeopsal, or actually I put kimchi most of the time on all the stuff that I eat right now. One, it's healthy. Pangalawa, nasasarapan ako sa kanya. So this is the new look every time we go out. It's a very different world right now. I miss the time na pwede ka lang umalis kung gusto mo. Pwede ka lang pumunta kahit saan kung gusto mo. I miss the time. I miss traveling. But ito na talaga yung new normal. So we're back. Unfortunately, wala silang bagong kimchi. I always buy those fresh kimchi that they have. Unfortunately, wala silang delivery ngayon. So I have no choice but to buy those kimchis that are ready-made, yung pack na. But I also got here ito yung favorite ko na dim sum. I don't know, hindi siya lasang processed. Kapag niluto mo siya, you just have to steam it and then or fry, but I always prefer to steam it. Hindi siya lasang alam mo yung puro starch lang yung loob. Siya talaga merong laman. So I think it's made by Bibigo. So kasi kakapanood ko ng mga K-drama. So I think yung mga product placements nila dun sa K-drama are very effective. Later I might do some videos of my top of everything Korean, like top 5 of everything that I'm really addicted to. I also got this. No choice kasi diba? Yan. Kasi wala nang iba wala silang available na kimchi na na yung fresh. I always like yung fresh na kimchi kasi mas gusto ko yung medyo malutong yung cabbage. And since mag-isa ako dito sa Manila ngayon, maybe until February, kasi nandun pa sila sa probinsya, nasa Zamboanga sila lahat. So ako naiwan dito because of my work, and medyo malungkot yung Pasko at saka sa bagong taon kasi nga mag-isa ako. Tapos wala rin kaming masyadong lipad. Most of the time, previously pag December, ito yung busiest time of the month namin dahil sa sobrang dami ng flights, sobrang dami ng mga tao na umuwi sa mga provinces. Pero ngayon, dahil nga sa situation natin, dahil sa pandemic, napakakonti na lang ng mga nagta-travel at saka hindi rin lahat ng LGU pumapayag na mag-mount ng maraming flights sa kanila because they're also preventing the spread of the virus. So until the end of the year, or at the end of this month, December, wala na akong flights. It used to be pag ganito ang flights ko umaabot ng mga 90 to 100 hours nasasagad dahil sa dami ng flights. But ngayon 2020, matatapos ng 2020, I only have 15 hours for this month. I'm still on reserve until the end of the month. Actually until January, the first half of January naka-reserve pa rin ako. Pero lahat yon parang very slim na yung chance na ma-upgrade unless merong panibagong flights na imamount o merong nagkasakit. Pero hindi na ganun, hindi katulad dati na kapag reserve ka, merong malaking possibility na ma-upgrade ka dahil nga sa dami ng flights. Pero ngayon, hindi na ganun. Anyway, today I want to tackle one thing. These are the misconceptions about pilots. Parang may stereotype kasi kapag sinabing piloto yan, ganyan siya, ganun siya. So I want to address those misconceptions and clear things up. Number one misconception is airline pilot yan, mayaman yan. So I wish totoo yun. Ibig sabihin nun mayaman ako, pero hindi ako mayaman eh. So I know that is one misconception. Hindi lahat ng piloto mayaman. There are some people who are in this career na talagang mayaman. But there are also some average guys like me. Mayaman ako sa kaibigan, pero sa pera, hindi. Mayaman ako sa pagmamahal, pero sa pera, hindi. I would say that if you know how to invest, if you know how to handle your money, you will live a comfortable life having this career. Number one is you need to invest wisely. Ako kasi medyo waldas ako. Kaya yung wife ko, siya yung binibigay ko lahat sa kanya kasi siya lahat nagmamanage ng finances namin. Number two misconception. Bakit lahat ng piloto ang popogi? Hindi siya misconception, totoo yun. Depende sa tao yan. But to be honest, it's a cliche. Lahat naman tayo na-attract sa magaganda, mga gwapo, pero the real beauty is what's deep inside. Kung ano yung nasa loob mo. May mga taong magaganda pero pangit ang ugali. May mga taong hindi masyadong pinagpala sa physical appearance, pero yung ugali nila, their attitude in life, their attitude towards other people, towards their peers, yun ang tunay na kagandahan. If you treat all people around you the same way, regardless of their skin color, regardless of their social status, kahit ano pa sila, kung paano mo i-treat yung nakakataas sa'yo, doon sa mga doon sa mga nasa ilalim mo. Ayoko sabihin kasi na nasa ilalim, but you don't treat people depending on their financial capabilities. Yun yung madalas ko na napapansin na some people, they treat other people na kapag boss nila or kapag alam nilang mayaman, they will treat them a different way than how they treat the janitors, how they treat the street vendors. Huwag mo susukatin yung taas ng respeto na kailangan mong ibigay sa tao depende sa kung ano yung financial capability niya sa buhay. So another misconception is kailangan pag piloto ka napakagaling mo sa math. Well, kailangan mo lang alam yung basics of physics, basic mathematics. Actually, to be honest, ang kailangan mo lang sa pagpipiloto is marunong ka ng arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Kung alam mong mag-solve ng ganong problem, almost covered ka na sa lahat. Kahit yung basic lang na alam mo, enough na yun para sa ginagawa natin sa pagpapalipad ng eroplano. But that does not mean that you don't need to study while you are studying right now, during your college, that you don't need those things. Kailangan mong malaman lahat yun para maipasa mo, magkaroon ka ng magandang grado, magkaroon ka ng magandang resume, para pag pasa ka sa mga companies, maganda yung record mo. Yung mga companies, hindi sila kukuha ng mga tao na yung na-achieve lang is yung bare minimum or yung sinasabi nating pasang-awa. Yung mga companies, kumukuha sila ng tao na merong magandang record. Kasi hindi naman sila nag-hire na para sa isang job lang. They want to hire you and they want to hire somebody that they can see will stay in the company for a long time and can contribute to the company. Lahat ng piloto magagaling sa English. Merong English language proficiency na kailangan mong ipasa. Ang minimum is level 4. Ang highest level is 6. Pag naka 4 ka, ibig sabihin nun pwede kang i-hire ng mga major airline companies. English is the international language that the aviation world is using. We are lucky here in the Philippines because we speak English since yung day 1 natin sa sa pag-aaral natin sa elementary. Merong ibang mga countries na hirap sila katulad ng China, Korea, Japan, kasi hindi yun yung main language nila. Sa atin kasi parang secondary language natin yung yung English. Pero hindi mo kailangan maging fluent sobra-sobra. You must be able to communicate in English. Here's the thing. Sa Pilipino, kapag ka hindi ka marunong mag-English ng mabuti or wrong grammar ka, ini-equate nila yon sa intelligence mo. Sasabihin nila, wrong grammar ka, bobo. Hindi sukatan yung pagiging magaling sa English ng intelligence ng isang tao. Swerte tayo sa Pilipinas dahil parang yung English na yung second language natin at magaling tayo, nakakapag-communicate tayo sa karamihan because we know how to speak in English and we can understand English well. I have this experience when my family and I went on a vacation sa Maldives. Habang nag-uusap kami ng asawa ko and I was taking picture of her, there was this German couple na nasa tabi ng wife ko. They asked us, where are you guys from? Sabi namin, well, we're from the Philippines. Ang unang sabi niya sa amin, you guys are from the Philippines and then you come here for the beach? Sabi ko kaagad, yeah, that's true, but we just like to experience how it is here in the Maldives. Our conversation went on and then biglang sabi ng lalaki sa akin, you speak English clearly. I can understand you clearly. Sabi ko naman, no, this is how we speak in the Philippines. Pero ang sinabi niya sa amin, you know what? Hindi ko naisip na marunong mag-English ang mga tao sa Pilipinas. Yun yung sabi niya sa akin. In fact, you are better English speakers than us. Siyempre, sabi ko naman, no, hindi totoo na. Kasi magaling din sila mag-English eh. But they were telling us that we are a better English speakers than them. Pero hindi naman ako fluent sa ano. I mean, yes, conversationally marunong ako mag-English. Pero hindi ako katulad kasi ng iba na talagang napaka sensitibo sa grammar or sensitibo sa pagpo-pronounce ng mga words. Kung ano lang yung pumasok sa utak ko, yun yung sinasabi ko. And then sinabi ko, sa Pilipinas kasi, we learn English from the start or from day 1 ng pagpasok sa paaralan. So, yun, hindi natin kailangan. The point is, kung marunong ka mag-communicate sa English at naibibigay mo yung gusto mong sabihin at naiintindihan ng listener, then that's enough. If you want to improve more, it's better. Pero hindi sukatan ng intelligence yung pagiging magaling sa English. Okay, lumipat lang tayo. Umuwi na ako sa amin kasi napapansin ako ng mga guards. Anyway, there is this one thing that he said that really struck me. And to be honest, medyo napahiya ako. Kasi we were discussing about our kids and then on our conversation, nasabi ko na actually yung isang anak ko, hirap na siyang mag-Pilipino, mag-Tagalog dahil yung yung salita niya sa bahay, yung kung paano siya makipag-communicate sa mga kapatid niya, sa friends niya, English na talaga. So sabi nung asawa niya, yung babae, sabi niya, oh, I didn't know that you could lose your native language just by speaking in English. Doon, medyo natahimik ako at saka na-realize ko na nakakahiya pala. Nakakahiya pala na makalimutan mo yung yung salita mo dahil lang sa English. That's the reason why ngayon pinipilit ko na magtagalog yung bunso ko. Okay, the last misconception sa mga piloto. Kapag ka piloto, babaero, chick boy. Pag piloto, maraming chicks. Hindi totoo yun. Yung iba konti lang. Pero seriously, depende sa tao yun. Yung mga chick boy, hindi lang naman nasa aviation world. Yung iba, seaman. Yung iba, sundalo. Yung iba, engineer. Yung iba, doktor. Ibig sabihin, my point is, it depends on the person. Kanya-kanya tayo ng buhay. So, kanya-kanya tayo ng upbringing sa buhay. Kanya-kanya tayo ng pananaw sa buhay. So, every person is different. And whatever they do in their own business, sa kanila na yon. Pero, hindi natin pwedeng i-generalize lahat. Maraming piloto na matitino. Maraming piloto na family man. Maraming piloto na talagang stick to one. May kilala ako na wala pa sila sa aviation, sila na hanggang sa naging piloto sila, nagkaanak sila, sila pa rin at wala silang problema sa pamilya. The point is, you cannot generalize people by their kung ano sila by their profession. Hopefully may nakuha ulit kayo sa video ko, sa vlog ko. It doesn't matter if you are not well off when it comes to money. It doesn't matter if you are a poor English speaker as long as you can communicate. It doesn't matter if you want to enjoy yourself as long as you know your limitations and you know your responsibility. Till next time on our next vlog. Oh, one thing more. For those of you who think that you are losing your nationalism just because you admire other race, like some people like the Chinese people, some people don't, some people like the Koreans, some people don't. Some people hate the Americans, some people love them. It doesn't matter that if you like them, that you lose your identity as a Filipino. Pwede kang kumain ng spaghetti, which is Italian, pero love mo pa rin ng adobo. Pwede kang kumain ng kimchi, pwede kang kumain ng samgyupsal, pero nilalagyan mo ng Filipino twist. The point is, do not hate or like people or treat them differently just because of the color of their skin. If you treat people differently just because of the color of their skin, you are a shallow person. That's it. Until next time, bye guys.